Are you tired of searching for developer mode in Odoo? Learn the exact 5 clicks to activate it now. Here's the exact process. From your homepage, we'll open Settings, find the Developer Tools, activate Developer Mode, and save, all in 5 simple clicks. To get started, navigate to the main homepage of your Odoo account. From there, click on the Settings option in the top menu to open up the Settings panel. Next, scroll down the Settings page to locate the Developer Tools option. Once you've found it, click on Activate the Developer Mode to turn it on. Finally, click on Save at the top left corner to apply your changes, and you're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.